Hello everyone! Today we are gonna learn how to make this couture dress. It is actually easier as you think because it doesn't require so much sewing and it's most of it handmade. For this we are gonna need 1 yard of transparent soft mesh and appliques to decorate all the top of the dress, 3 yards of clear nude mesh fabric, 3 yards of nude spandex fabric for the skirt, the bottom of the dress, nylon thread. This is what we are gonna use to sew the appliques, and white thread to sew the bottom part of the dress, needles, pins needles, scissors, and a 16 inches zipper for the back of the dress. To start, it is very important to have the exact measures of your model. That way we can adjust the top of the dress according to it. I am making this one for myself, so I am using a dress form of my size and the pins needles. The next step is to sew the top, which can be made by hand or in the sewing machine. It is time now to get the appliques and sew it to the top according to our creativity. Let's take now the fabric of the skirt, sewing only one side, making creases. I like to sew each fabric separately and then sew them together. When it's time to close the skirt, leave 4 inches without sewing. That's the part where we are gonna add the zipper. Once the bottom part is done, we sew it to the top of the dress, and then we add the zipper. This sewing part is going to be visible from outside because the top of the dress is transparent, and we don't want that. That's why, after the dress is all sewn, we are going to keep adding appliques from top to bottom. And that's all! I told you this dress was easier than it might look. We don't need to sew anymore. The neck, the arms, and the bottom of the dress just stay like that. This will give to the dress a better appearance of transparency. Please give us a thumb up if you like this video. Subscribe for more tutorials. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and thanks for watching.